His kick finds Lenny Gravity in the midfield. Lenny, and a ball out from the back by Don Cooper. Header won by Lambinston, and a shot coming in goes wide. First chance for Khliehmawlieh, and you can see the crowd roar. They have a lot of support here in Shillong for the final. The men in red. Brilliant pressure from Wan Lamsuk, looking to drift past his man. Here's Buam. Buam has to go. Not quite getting the swing on it that he would have wanted. Once again, Rangdajied winning it back, showing their Abola. Finds Bansamba. Past his man, Bansamba has kept it in. The cut back. Chance! Goal! Wan Lamsuk puts Rangdajied into the lead in Shillong. The men in blue have first blood. Khliehmawlieh fans have been silenced because Wan Lamsuk has fired Rangdajied United into the lead in the final. Brilliant piece of work by Bansamba to set it right up on a plate for Wan Lamsuk, who finishes it on his left foot. 1-0 to the men in blue. Rangdajied 1, Khliehmawlieh 0.